All righty. Hey, everybody. Carlos here. Very excited to walk you through this presentation and formal application process. AXEOM is the name of our agency. I'm Carlos, and on the other side of the screen is Alejandro. This is our
Hey guys.
branding work in progress. We're very proud of it, but it's a start.
Okay, so this is the two of us. So the two guys you see here are the co-founders. So I myself, I'm the technical guy, the engineer, CTO, with all over a decade of experience already working in software engineering, software architectures, and enterprise environments. And we have also Carlos. You can present yourself.
Yeah, it's been a journey of 9 years working in product and project management. And also, this is not my first attempt at building an agency. Back in 2018, I started selling web design in Upwork. But then I had to shut everything down because I essentially wasn't doing too well in terms of building the systems that allowed me to not be bottlenecked. This time will be different, hopefully with your help. Very excited to be here. Okay, who we are, Alejandro?
Yep. So we are, as we say here, Latino team of tech wizards. So we are both from Costa Rica, and we our idea with AXEOM is to help businesses leverage AI to reach their next level. Right. We believe in this next revolution, AI revolution, the next wave that is coming. Right. With AI automation and all the benefits of using data for improving any type of processes, right? So this is our promise to the online business world, and we basically are professionals who right now turned into consultants. We already have, as we say, both of us have plus 20 years of experience, and in that time a lot of product launches from our professional backgrounds, and literally, well, we're ready to take on any type of challenge that technical product business challenge that comes. We have the attitude for it.
What we do, the way we love to introduce ourselves or to sell ourselves to potential partners is software co-founder as a service, meaning we actually integrate with them fully. Thanks to my product experience and Alejandro engineering experience, we have a very, I guess, holistic approach and understanding of the business. So with my product definition documents, we make sure that all of the features properly make sense in terms of what the business is looking to achieve. And with the wizardry of Alejandro, we make sure that the solutions are appropriately architected for it to be scalable. Where we worked, as Alejandro alluded to, Intel, 9 years. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so at Intel, I learned a lot. I joined that as since I was a student worker in my latest years of finalizing my college degrees, and throughout the years there, I learned a lot of how a big enterprise works, what are the right processes to having in place for software development and engineering in general. I worked from uh, everything from the lowest level hardware code up to web development and online cloud environments as well. Um, Throughout the years there, I did a lot of experiments. I did many side projects in the Intel Innovation Center. We worked with AI MVPs and proof of concepts, also AR VR, which was pretty interesting. And I I can say I've always liked to be in the edge of technology, always learning, always trying to keep up with the newest things, and but always from an engineering mindset, right? So I always had like these big ideas, and I always worked on my side on these interesting projects, but I didn't have like the savviness, let's say, of how to convert this into a business. Right now, working with Carlos and learning a lot from your YouTube channel and from many others in the network as well. I have been growing this business knowledge, and I think this is our right time to switch and build this agency and become uh, good providers in the online world and with all these AI
Yes, sir.
technologies.
Yes, sir. Gigster. Essentially, back in 2018, I joined because they were selling the promise of launching MVPs in 6 weeks at $10,000. I applied to Gigster back in the day, and they gave me an opportunity as a junior project manager. So, Gigster is essentially your standard Silicon Valley startup software shop, if you will. So that's another reason why the partnership between Alejandro and me is super valuable, because Intel is this monster of a enterprise, and Gigster is essentially the quick startup type of world. So we both together have a very comprehensive understanding of how to build products. Now, why AXEOM? So for us, selfishly and selfless, AXEOM is the vehicle in which we both have professional and personal fulfillment. In my personal case, I'm just tired of being that one entrepreneur. Like I said, I tried earlier in 2018, didn't really manage to scale it properly, and we're in it for the long run. That one of the reasons why it's so important for us to apply to you guys is because we're actually in thirst of the right strategies towards building a scalable business grounded in data.
Mm-hmm. So uh, this is mostly on the engineering side. We like to work with a data-driven mindset. So this is also the way I've always like to approach my engineering, my software development in general, knowing what metrics to track. Like once we approach our business partners or clients, um, we try to communicate this, that it's important, right, for a business perspective and from a engineering perspective as well, to be able to track the correct metrics, understand what do we need to measure to improve the business, improve whatever processes we have, and we like to do this with a good database, like the data gathering, understanding what is the data foundation in order to help this business. As some people say, I've heard this phrase a lot, which is data is the new oil, and it is, right. So there are so much insights that we can gather from data. I'm very passionate about it. So this is one of our, let's say, pillars of value that we like to work with, right? As well, there is also an adjacent part, which is the market research we like to do, right? We like to understand what is the competitive landscape, and how can we leverage whatever other solutions or ideas are out there. So yeah, I think this is the approach that has helped us work with quality products, and yeah, we thought it would be good to mention that.
All righty. Okay, so enough of the process and who we are now. What are we actually doing? Okay, so we started the business effectively a month and 3 weeks ago, and we're using Upwork as a lead generation funnel. And so far, as you can see in this slide, we have currently 4 projects in the works. And Alejandro, maybe you can tell us a little bit of the details.
Yep. So these are these 4 projects. As you'll see, we have some GPT-based text generation. That will be Pronotes, the first one. We also have a computer vision project. We have a couple of chatbots, which is customer service, and the last one, Wonderwise, which is a chatbot assistant for sleep health. This one, this is the one that we are currently in finalizing the last details for the deal and the project to start. So you'll see we have a bit of variety of projects. We want to look into how to niche down. You'll see. So these projects, all of them have different requirements, and they have all been very interesting, very fun to work with. But we also want to streamline, right? We want to understand how are we going to niche down. Looks like the chatbot area is quite hot right now, and that may be a good option. But those are the kind of things that we want to start polishing and improving for our agency. But the good thing is we got something rolling here already, so we're proud of that.
Yes, this is validated. Okay, website coming soon. We've been working on it for 3 weeks now, and it is coming together really nicely. We just wanted to allude to the fact that, you know, we're trying to be as professional as possible with it. And so just wanted to share, we want to be as focused as possible. We, as I said, we're using Upwork for our lead generation, and we just want to give them a chance to book a call as fast as possible. Really proud of that. Okay. So continuing with the slide deck, the incubation, and why is AXEOM or us a good fit for you guys? Starting with the commitment, Alejandro.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is something that I wanted to chime in with is interesting fact. Just this week, this week will be my last week at my current full-time job. I quit my job a couple of weeks ago, and I'm just finalizing the work there. And what that means is I will be dedicating full time to this starting next week. This is my promise of commitment. This is something that 4 months back I have been speaking with Carlos, and we were thinking, okay, we both have our full-time jobs. We have these dreams of when are we going to be able to do this switch, to do this jump. And it's quite interesting that this, you know, it looks like everything is aligning, right? So we have the application for this incubation program. I already quit my job, and we at the time I didn't know this was coming, and we are closing this fourth project that gives us the green light as well, that that I will be able, and Carlos soon enough as well, be able to jump into this full time. So looks like everything is coming down nicely, and we're ready to go 100% effort on this, and this is our commitment.
That's right. That's right. Very exciting. And just another fun fact, we're going to Tony Robbins Unleashed the Power Within in July for my birthday. So we're obviously just gonna take advantage of that event, and coming back home, you know, fully motivated and recharged and whatnot. In terms of expertise, you know, together is plus 20 years of experience actually building and deploying software products, from research and marketing analysis and user personas and even branding projects, all the way to wireframing and designing low fidelity interactions and whatnot. And obviously Alejandro designing architectures for scalable products. Something that we aligned as well with you guys specifically is that we can see from the YouTube channels and the way that you guys handle yourselves that you always strive for a very high level of standard in terms of your professionalism. And that is something that we also both no, we don't struggle, we strive for. Sorry, English is not my first language. Something that we strive for, and so we feel like we're aligned with that vision of being highly professional. And lastly, important to say that we're here to be valuable members of the community, to help grow and extend the hand to those up and coming young AI entrepreneurs, if you will. With that all said, super excited to send out this formal application. All of the work that you guys have been doing is super amazing for us, and we're here for the long run. Lastly, if you want to close the slide, Ali.
Yep. So, well, here we have our contact information in the application form. We'll share our email that you see here as well, and our LinkedIn profiles. We would love to connect in any social media and other network possible. And yeah, we hope to hear from you. We're very excited for this. We definitely have the energy, the motivation. We want to join this with the best attitude possible, and yeah, hopefully make something, you know, a great group, great insights, share great knowledge, and yeah, build our agencies. Yeah, everyone will grow.
Thank you so much, guys. Cheers.
Thank you.